Hi, I'm Allison Kleinman,
And I'm Andrew Adler.
and we are A&A Adler Insurance. We're health insurance brokers, and we work with all of the major carriers, including Aetna, Humana, United Healthcare, National General, and many more.
We work in health insurance for individuals under 65, Medicare for those 65 and over and who are on disability, and we work with small groups for employer coverage and are licensed in over 20 states nationwide.
And in addition to health insurance, we also help people with life insurance and other supplemental benefits. That includes dental, vision, disability, accident, critical illness, and much more.
Now, we've been in the industry for some time, and what we love about what we do is that we do not work directly for any one insurance company. So instead of focusing on what's really, really good for them, we can focus on what's best for our client. We get to show our clients and help our clients find a plan that fits best with what their needs are and their budget is, based on what's available in their area.
But what's really difficult for us with what we do is all of the confusion that's out there. Don't get me wrong, we love educating our clients on the plans, and we love teaching them about what they're getting so that they can feel safe and protected. That's what insurance is all about. But with everything politicians are saying, the vast amount of misinformation on the internet, the billions of robocalls, the constantly changing regulations, and of course, all of the shady salespeople that are here today and gone the next, what we often find ourselves faced with is a consumer that's skeptical, fearful, and honestly more concerned about whether or not they're about to be scammed than about learning about what the best possible thing is for their family.
And we've noticed this is a big issue, and this industry is confusing. It's hard to go out and do your own research and really find clear answers, and it's very, very difficult to know who to trust. Most people just go out and get something and just basically hope that it all works out the way they wanted it to. They go to the doctor, they go to the hospital, and they sit there and they're just praying that they can afford that bill that's going to come in the mail 3 to 4 weeks later. Or worse, they end up getting so overwhelmed they end up getting nothing at all. And then when an emergency strikes, they find themselves in financial ruin.
So up to this point, we've been educating our clients one at a time as they come to us. But what we want is to find a way that we can more proactively reach out to them.
We want to be your Rosetta Stone for health insurance. We want to provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision, and not only just feel empowered to make this important decision for your family, but also to understand what your benefits are, so you're not worrying about, how much is this going to end up being? How much is this going to cost? Instead, you can worry about the one thing you should worry about, which is just getting better.
And we also want this to be a space where you can ask any question that you have about health insurance, no matter how simple or complicated. Sure, we want to do business with everyone, but what we really want this space to be is a place where you can learn about what's out there and really how all of this works in an easy and accessible way. Like a place where you can ask about a plan you have with us, or a plan you have with an employer, or even just ask about plans that you've been looking into on your own for your family.
We want this space to be essentially a space that is focused on educating and protecting you, the consumer, so that you can make informed decisions, updating you with important dates, what questions to ask when making a purchase, what types of plans to look into, and also, most importantly, also how to really understand your benefits.
And that's what A&A Adler Insurance is all about. So make sure that you just keep an eye on our page, where we're going to have easy to understand weekly posts that go over the basics. And before you know it, you'll be an expert yourself.
And if you have any questions that pop into your head, whether it's based on a post we post or something else, even if it's particular to your specific plan, feel free to just leave your question in the comments or message us directly. We will get back to you in a timely manner. We really pride ourselves. Our excellent service is our standard.
And of course, if you do need help finding a plan for yourself, for your family, for your business, just message us and we'll help you learn about all of the options there are available to you. And then you can make an informed decision on how to best feel safe and protected. Protecting yourself should feel good, not scary. But it's impossible to feel that way unless you really understand what it is that you're getting. And that's always the most important part of what we're all about.
We want to thank you for coming and visiting us and watching. And make sure, obviously, if you have any comments or questions, just go ahead and message us. And make sure, don't forget, click like on our page, like on our post, and make sure to click see first so you don't miss out on any important information being posted.
And lastly, our mission is to empower as many people as possible with the knowledge they need to really feel good about their coverage. If you agree with that mission, please share our page, share our posts, and be sure to let us know what you think so that we can constantly be improving our page. Providing knowledge and value to you is really what this is all about.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.